Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another hair video, and today's wig is from Luvme hair, and I'll be showing you how I got this glueless wig installed today. So today I'm working with their 5x5 lace closure wig. So this is their 24-inch Bohemian curls wig. I really like the curl pattern. I feel like this wig is definitely perfect if you're going on holiday. It's perfect for summer and it's very beginner friendly. Also, when you get your wig, it comes with everything you need to get a flawless wig installed. So it comes with a wig cap for you to put on before applying your wig, and it comes with a wig bag for you to put your wig inside once you're done with it, and it also comes with a melt band, and it comes with an edge brush as well. You really don't need to do too much to this wig. So if you guys want to see how I got this glueless wig installed and also how I styled and defined the curls, then make sure you stay tuned and carry on watching. So the first thing I'm going to do is to clip the straps at the back together. This is really going to help with a glueless install. The wig also comes with an elastic band, which is good because then you can just adjust the strap to fit your head basically. So this is a 5x5 lace closure wig, but it feels like it's a 6x6 because the lace literally goes all the way from hair to hair, and it comes with a lot of parting space as well, so which means you can have this as a middle part or a side part. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install this wig and show you guys how you can get this to be glueless. So the first thing I'm going to do is to apply some wax stick and then go in with my hot comb. So you guys can see the parting goes all the way to the back. I'm going to cut off the rest of the lace now. This is one thing I love about Luvme hair wigs, especially their closure wigs. They're just always so quick and easy to install. So I feel like if you're new to wearing wigs and you're wondering where you can get a good beginner friendly wig from, then I would definitely recommend Luvme hair. Their wigs literally come prepared ready for you to install. As you guys can see, I'm installing this wig straight out of the box. Their wigs literally come ready for you to install, guys. Like, this wig came pre-plucked. It came with a very natural hairline, so I really do not need to do anything to this wig aside from just install the wig. So yeah guys, there's not really much to this wig. This is a very beginner friendly wig. Like, I've just installed this wig within 5 minutes straight out of the box. I've popped it on my head, and the wig fits really snug on my head as well because it comes with an elastic band, comes with combs, and comes with the adjustable strap on the inside of the wig as well. So I don't have to worry about this wig going anywhere. But obviously if you do want more security, then you can just go in with your bed hair spray, your ebon spray, and just glue it down. But I'm going to leave it like this just to show you guys that it is absolutely glueless and you don't have to do anything to it. So So now I'm just going to define the curls a bit more. So this is what the hair looks like in its natural state. Like, you really don't need to do anything to this wig. This wig is perfect if you're going on holiday, if you want, you know, a quick and easy wig to go to for summer. I'm going to grab a wide tooth comb and just literally comb out the hair. And the hair feels really soft as well, like so soft. Another thing as well is that the wig looks really full, but I promise you this wig feels really light on my head. Like, there's literally no weight to this wig. Like, it feels like I have nothing on my head. I'm going to apply some hair mousse just to define the curls a bit more. You can see when you wet the hair, like, it literally just defines the curls even more. yeah, this is the finished look, and I honestly feel like this wig is perfect if you're a beginner. It's definitely very beginner friendly, and it's just a quick and easy wig to work with. It doesn't require for you to do too much, and the waves as well, like the curls are really effortless. Like you don't have to do anything to define the curls or get it to look, you know, a certain type of way. But yeah, I really like this wig. Definitely very beginner friendly. So like I said, this wig is from Luvme Hair, and this is their 24-inch 5x5 lace closure Bohemian curls wig. And you can definitely style this wig in so many different ways. You can style this as a middle part like I've done today. You can style this as a side part because obviously it comes with a lot of parting space, and I'm sure you can do some half up half down styles with this wig as well, just based on how much space comes on the lace, you know. So yeah, I'll make sure to list all the links that you guys need in the description bar below, so please check below for anything you'd like to know, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.